Boom boom babies. Hey kids! Welcome to Color Splash, where we explore the wonderful world of colors. Today, we're going to have fun with colors and learn about them in an exciting way. Are you ready? Let's go! Let's start with the color red. Red is a bright and bold color. Look at this shiny red apple. Can you find something red around you? Let's move to the color blue. Blue is cool and calming. And there's a huge blue whale swimming in the ocean. Can you think of something blue in your room? Next up is the color yellow. Yellow is bright and happy. Look at the big, yellow sun shining in the sky. Do you see something yellow near you? Let's explore the color green. Green is fresh and lively. Look at this tall green tree. Can you find something green where you are? Great job, kids! We've learned about red, blue, yellow, and green. Look at this beautiful rainbow with all the colors we've seen today. Remember, colors are everywhere. Thanks for joining us on this colorful adventure. Don't forget to look for colors around you every day. See you next time on Color Splash. Bye-bye. Thank you so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel for more fun and educational content. Hit the bell icon so you never miss out on our latest videos. We've got plenty more exciting adventures and learning experiences coming your way. Thank you, and see you in the next video. Bye-bye.